Good morning, students. This is Neha, your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to study about the construction of the another quadrilateral, that is kite. Okay, so kite is a special type of quadrilateral. How this is special? Because in this quadrilateral kite, each pair of adjacent sides are equal to each other. I am saying the word adjacent, so you can see that this TE and TM are adjacent side, so they are equals to each other, means TE is equals to TM. This is the one pair of adjacent side, and EA and AM, this is the another pair of adjacent side, and they are also equals to each other. This is the special property of the kite. And apart from this property, what about the angles? According to the properties of the kite, angle E will be equals to the angle M. Okay, and apart from these properties of the angles and the sides, what about the diagonals? As you can see, there are two diagonals, one vertical and second horizontal, and these two diagonals intersect at point O. And these diagonals have the special property: the vertical diagonal, that is the longer diagonal, bisects the smaller diagonal EM, means it will divide the EM into two equal parts, means OE will be equals to OM, and most importantly it bisects each other at 90 degree, means the vertical diagonal, that is TA, is nothing but the perpendicular bisector for the line EM. Perpendicular bisector means they, first of all, they bisect, means this vertical diagonal bisect the shorter diagonal EM, and they bisect at the 90 degree. So this is the property of the kite. Now we will continue one question related to the construction of the kite. Okay, so here is your one question from your exercise. So construct a kite team in which TE is equals to EA is equals to 4.5, TM is equals to AM is equals to 6.2 centimeter, and one of the angle is given. So first step is you have to draw the rough sketch for this. So first of all we will draw the rough sketch. Bacha, note that angle is given at the E, means TEA. So जो भी आप नीचे basic side लोगे, remember that E should be there. Okay, means the vertex E should be there. So suppose I am taking TE. So I am drawing the rough sketch, bacha. So for the rough sketch, first of all we will draw the TE, that is 4.5 centimeter. Then we know that EA is equals to 4.5 centimeter and TEA is equals to 120 degree, right? So at E we will make the angle of 120 degree with the help of protector. With the help of protector we will make that. You can also use the compass, but we will use the protector. Okay, so we will make the angle of 120 degree and we will make the ray. After this, at E, which side is left? EA. So we will cut the arc of radius 4.5 centimeter, taking E as the center. But this is a rough idea, I will make it clear. Now this point will be A. Now see that only one vertex is left, M. We have done with the three vertex T, E, A. ओनली एम इज लेफ्ट. एम से रिलेटेड आप देखो आपको क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन है. एम से रिलेटेड एक हमें गिवन है टी एम इज इक्वल्स टू 6.2 and am is equals to 6.2. So taking T as the center, we will mark the radius of arc of radius 6.2 centimeter. Similarly, from A we will mark the radius of 6.2 centimeter. Suppose here it will cut, and we will, the point at which both the arc cut, we will name it as M, and your kite will be look like this. This is only a rough idea. Now we are going to make it. So first step was draw TE. Why we are drawing TE? Because at the angle E, angle 120 is given. So first of all, draw the side TE, measure 4.5 centimeter. Here we go. So this TE is equals to 4.5 centimeter. Now see that at E 120 angle is given, so use the protector. E E as the center. This is 120 degree. Match this and name this ray as EX. Okay, now see that I have EA is equals to 4.5. So just open the compass for 4.5. Since this is a 4.5, I can measure this directly from here. Right? EA is equals to 4.5. So EA, taking E as the center, cut the arc of radius 4.5. So this will be A, and this EA is 4.5 centimeter. Now only one vertex is left, that is M. So TM is 6.2, AM is 6.2. M से related आपको दो information given है, so we will use that. TM. So open the arc of radius 6.2 centimeter. When you measure it correctly. Here we go. It is 6.2. So from T, taking T as the center, cut the arc of radius 6.2. Then taking A as the center, cut the arc of radius 6.2. बच्चा A से हम क्यों कर रहे हैं? Because AM is 6.2. T से हमने क्यों किया? Because TM is 6.2. So the point at which both the arcs cut, name it as M. And now you just have to join the vertices A with M and this T with M. TM is 6.2 centimeter. Bacha, don't forget to write down the measurements, and this angle is 120 degree. So here is the kite TEM with the following measurements. I hope this question is clear to everyone, and if you still have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you very much.